vacuum. This is a new mini earphones. They are Bluetooth and they have too many good stuff. So let's try to start and check what we have here. I almost dropped the knife. So let's check this. Box for a very small product. Here it is. So here they have professional business style. They have hi-fi stereo audio quality, total wireless charging. This is very good stuff. I mean, the thing about their wireless make it easy because now we can put just everything on the table and charge that. This ultra stable connection, long losing battery life. I mean, they say they can be working for 30 hours, so that's really awesome. As I say, from our friends VANKYO, this is the model Alpha X400. So let's open this and check how this works. They should have some way to open it without donning the knife. Maybe, oh yeah, perfect. No, that doesn't work. I got to do like Christmas gift, just rock like this and that's it. Okay, here it is. Okay, here is the box. And to open this, oh, easy. We just slide this down. I mean, I like the presentation, really. I mean, everything with black and plate is so fancy. I really like. And then inside we have a white box with the icon. Look good, feel good, sounds good. I mean, I really like that phrase. To open this one, yeah, just go to this. Coming. Oh man, look good. I mean, let me show you. The box inside look fancy. I mean, you see this product, you can see it's really good. It's like very good stuff. I mean, I like. It's small. To put in your pocket. Let's see what else we have here. We have protection. Unfold, explore more. Let me see what they have inside. Advertisement. Check what we have here inside. We're just happy that you are happy. If you don't know how to express your phone, join where we got a information. Okay, recommendation from the company. This is, I assume, is the USB charger. They are using USB-C, what I think is awesome because I mean, right now everything is USB-C and sometimes we need to find the USB-B, so you're starting to set up everything. Right now I think I have one Bluetooth earphone and they are with USB-B and I don't use it too much because I just don't know where it is USB. USB-C is awesome. What else we have here? Oh, of course. This you need to change. Usually I never change that, but it's a good thing to have it. We have also the instruction. I think we know everything, how we should put this. This is easy connection, charging, blah blah. This is easy. The wires instruction. Earbuds, shooting pin. They have microphone, different air tips, a LED indicator. They have a touchpad so you can control everything in your earphones. Option 1, connect the charging case to a compatible adapter, not included. Oh, okay, of course. They just give you the USB cable, but they don't give you the adapter. You can use the one you have for your phone. That's enough. Or you just can put in the laptop. They need 2.5 hours. It's good. The charger, let's open this to check. have three lights. They say they will indicate the percent. The first one is from the left to the right. That will indicate your battery is up to 40%. The second one is up to 70%, and the last one is full. Okay, when they are solid white, that means you are 100% okay. So you can see here in the front. Okay guys, we're back. Sorry for that. So we can start to check here. We can see we have the USB-C. Yeah, of course. I really don't have any wireless charger, so I can't try that. But let's open this. Okay, I like. Oh, they are great battery. Look at that. It's solid. They have like a magnet. I mean, it feels premium, really. You don't feel cheap. It's very good in the hand. But I really like. They have the space to have the headphone. Okay, they have like a sticker here. I assume okay, it's a protection. I can remove this. Yeah, let's remove this. This is the right. Or we mess it up with this. They have the arm, so this is the right. This is the left. Really didn't turn on yet. I will try this in the next video, but believe me, when you put this in the air, you don't hear anything outside. I mean, they are very good to work with that. Oh my goodness, I like this. Look at this. You just put here, and they already have a magnet, and it's very good. I mean, you can't mess it up. They have the right and left to indicate where you need to put your earphones. And close premium. I mean, I really like. They have here the brand. They have 100% battery. I really like. I mean, it feels very premium. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Still to watch the next one. Something I can tell you about this is like this have the latest Bluetooth. This have Bluetooth 5.0. Whereas this is waterproof. IP6, so that's amazing. And one thing I want to really try is they have a playtime up to 30 hours. I mean, that's awesome. I mean, if I didn't try that part yet, but if they do it, it will be awesome, really. And they have a connection distance of up to 45 feet. It's a very good thing. What I really like is how it feels. It feels very premium, really. Well, guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Comment if you have any question. I will post the product in the links if you are watching this in YouTube. If not, you can ask in the comments if you are watching this in Instagram. Please give me follow, like and share. See you in the next video, guys. See you.